Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video and the upcoming videos, we are going to try to create this application. I got this online for free. This is from one of the website called motive.com. So from here you can get this design. Like this is a one music player that you can create, and I'm trying to create the complete UI, and I have already created some part of it. Let me just show you. So this one I have already created, and we will try to improve more things, and you can get this code as well. I will put in the description, and this is open source. It is available on the GitHub, so I will put that, and you guys can watch from there and continue from there. So today, what we are going to do, like I have already created this search screen, uh, like halfway, and we need to create this thing, and this is not going to we won't be able to create the complete application in this stream. We are going to need a few more streams to complete this, so we will try to do that. Yeah, so this is it. So let's get started, and for to create this card, I have added a recommendation card as the container name. I will refactor this offline because it will take unnecessary time. It will be time consuming, and so that's the reason. But for now, like I'm just doing this in this file only. Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, so over here we are going to have style, and let's have this style as I think we are in the search, so let's mark it as lesson card. Our card container. R stands for recommendation card, and over here let's have our card container. We'll pass the title. We are going to use it at a multiple places. We will later on move it to the container, but for now let's just keep it over here. And this one is the title. Title will definitely come from outside, so it will be as a string, and okay, so our container is going to have background color, which will be, I think, white only. And then we could have used some theme library, but this is, I think, I'm just going to I'm not using any libraries. I'm just trying to use the complete React Native, nothing else for libraries or anything. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing it, but yeah, maybe it'll be good for the learning purpose. Yeah. And if you just go over here, you can check, like this is having a title is having a 2020 from all side, so we can have padding as 20, and then title will have one icon as well, so that's the reason we're just going to have another view. And over here, instead of having that play button, I am not sure I have imported this play button or not. Play button, I've added many images as well, or assets, but I don't remember, but eventually I will add it. You can, so in the title we'll have styles dot r title container, And let's have a padding vertical as 8. I think this is 8 only. It's a 16, so let's have a 16. And yeah, so this is it. And now we have to render the complete list with the numbering number. So we'll pass a list in this list of songs, which will be string of arrays. So list of songs is a string of array. And so over here, list of songs dot map songs. Songs is going to be, for now let's just keep it a string, but I think we'll need to add something else, index, that is going to be number for the keys. And let's just have a view over here. I've been used to using the WebStorm, but my WebStorm has expired, and that's the reason I'm finding it a bit difficult to use VS Code. It's fine. And to display the song title, we're just going to have song. I think it should be song. Song. And style, let's have styles dot row. I have we already have it over here. Maybe this will work, but I think flex wrap is not required in this one. So let's just try to pass some data to it and display it over here in our recommendation card. And the first recommendation is the hits, sorry, and song, list of songs. So inside a list of songs, we will add a few songs as well. First, in the wind, I think I could have done it offline, but since we are doing it everything over here in this stream, just the current, and I'm not going to do like only the repetitive task. I will try to do it offline, but mostly all the things I will try to cover it online by this live stream only. So we need the stars. Cool. We just open our application. Let's go to search. So over here, this is what it looks right now. And what is the color? FFF. But I think here the color is different. That is it's DDD. So for container over here, we can just have DDD. And it's not that dark. The problem with this design that I got over here, it's not that like, it's not like Figma or anything. So trying to figure it out, it's a bit difficult. This is all I could find. I can find for free. So fine, can live with it. And definitely it's not light color that I'm using. This is not white for sure, but currently I'm not able to figure it out which color is this. Since something in grays, but this gray is not the correct one. This one is where that style. Oh, there is something called detached style, or which I was not aware. It's FFF. Both of them is FFF. What? I think there must be some stroke then. Cool. So both of them is FFF, but the card has some stroke, and we need to figure it out how to put some stroke in this. And I kind of made a mistake. Yeah, fine. Changed it, but effect stroke inside. In iOS, usually you add the elevation. So elevation 4. It's not visible. And border radius is 8. Border color. What is the stroke color? It's FFF only. It's a bit hard over here to find the exact color. No, it's difficult. 16. So this items that we have over here, it's not. We can combine the styles in React Native as well if you are not aware of it. So let's just do a styles dot r row and I'm just going to pass it like padding vertical, which is 16. And there is some different there is a padding vertical is 16. There is nothing like this side, or so there should be some distance between this one. Let's just figure it out how much it is. 4, but it's definitely 20 plus 4 somewhere. Styles dot song name. In left, let's keep it 16, I guess. That will do the style, let's say. And yeah, this looks fine, but not that great. And over here, padding should be 16 for this one as well. Padding left should be 16. Our card container. Let's keep it margin left. Yeah. And if I change the to red, maybe it will be correctly visible. Okay, so now should have a margin top as well, 20, and it's I think it's a slider, so you're able to swipe it, so it should be a scroll view instead of, okay, so we are already having a vertical scroll view. Now we will have one horizontal scroll view. Horizontal. So if you pass the horizontal as true, then it will be a horizontal scroll view. By default it is a vertical scroll view, so you don't need to pass it over here. And let's copy and paste it over here. So we are having 2, and we don't want this indicator over here. So to remove that horizontal scroll indicator, you can pass it as false. Yes, and how to pass shadow in React Native? Box shadow, UI box shadow, yes, something like this we want. So margin, border radius 8, we have already given. White, border opacity, elevation. So we can use this. Background color not required. Elevation, okay, cool. So let's see if we can find any difference. Yep, but it should be like till the end. So what we can do is, like, there is one another props that you can pass inside the scroll view, and that is content container style. Let's call it content container style, and styles dot content content content, and this should be, I think, flex 1. Nope. Padding bottom 100. Yeah, this looks good. It's an I've just copied it, so that's the reason. And let's grab the style of these titles. We could have used some theme library and then do it over here, or some text library. I don't know why. I think like doing that would be a great thing. I think for the typography part, I think we should do it. There is something called Shopify style, I think. Yeah, you can try using this one. I kind of like it, and it works great with the React TypeScript. Read more about Microsoft version 2 over here. I will try using this one. This one is pretty cool, actually. I've used it in past once, like when they must be having version 1 on something. Getting started. Yeah, we will try to use this only. This is really good. I kind of like it. You will also like it, I think. So okay, I'm getting an error, but no error. Just need to pass keys wherever I'm trying to map something. So over here as well, it should be index number key, and that's the reason I'm getting a warning over here. there's a it is important to pass keys in the list. Um this is one of you should know it, and if you don't know, well, discuss it later, but for now just think of it as like it is required to pass the keys, otherwise it will keep on giving the warning. Okay, so now we'll try to use that library, Shopify style, and let's see, I'm using the expo. And the way we are going to use it, we will create one theme. So I could have done it in start, but since now we are doing it, we'll do it anyway. And if you are guys going to copy this file from the GitHub or cloning it, there is one file called video audio recognition. This is we might use it later. I was trying to create something using the React Native reanimated, and that's where I figured it out to create one. And it is not linked anywhere, but we might use it later. And if you can implement it, that's completely fine. You can raise a PR to this one. That's completely fine. Okay, cool. So now let's create one theme component. Should I keep it theme.tsx over here? Let's keep theme.tsx over here. And I already have one theme configuration. I'm just going to copy it from there, and then we will make changes according to that. Okay, hope that is fine. For color, we don't have these colors. We'll have color from our own Figma. Spacing, that is completely fine. And hero, and we need to change this as well, like body and whatever these are the things, like these are for the typography. We will pass the text variant, and that will take it from there. Font family, we haven't installed it yet. We will add it. And so for the text variant, and another problem with this thing, this Figma, sorry, this design file is like, it is not mentioned at one place, like whatever the design you are going to use it. But yeah, this is what it is. Like, we'll try to figure it out. So over here we are having this play button. So let's have hit button, hit, and this is title 16/bold. So now I need to figure it out how to get styles of this one. Oh, I am sorry. Bold, title bold. Text variant, body 16, font size, I think, what is it, 16. I think font size must be 16. So Let's just find 16 and font. What is for font weight? Font weight in React Native. Font family, font. Here, font weight. I was just. Cool. And the way we are going to use it is something like this, I guess. Search and recommendation over here. This text is going to be imported from instead of having it from React Native, we will import it from somewhere else, and that is, hopefully it will show some recommendation here. It's not working. Cool. Import from /components dot theme, and we're just going to have text over here, and this will completely change the text for sure. Okay, it's what is undefined. Need to pass the variant, I guess. It was default variant. Text, create text. Text, this should be a variant of page 16. We defined the body 16, right? Yes, just pass that. And again, if there is any other text, then we need to pass the variant. I will do some changes offline, like all the assets that need to be imported, and that will be a time consuming task, so I will do it offline. So let's see if still we are getting the error. Okay, key is not a function. Where this is coming from? Compose style function. Body variant. Not live yet.